Hi! In front of me is Motorola G54 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. You need to start by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to access system. Then select languages and input, on-screen keyboard and Gbert. Following that, just tap on text correction. As you can see, all typing options are available over here. To manage them, click on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe.